Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ruth Nanda here, aka Lo. What's good? What's poppin'? If this is your first time on my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. If you are a returner, what's goody? What's poppin'? Thanks for checking out another video from moi. And if you guys like to take care of yourself, your hair, and everything on a budget, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below and make sure you hit the notification bell so you know every time I upload. Because sis, you want to make sure you are keeping up to save your coins, sis, because we don't like to waste our coins over here, okay? So as you guys can tell from the title of the video, we're going to be trying some new products out. And if you guys watch my previous video, which I will link somewhere up above, about me going to get a sew-in, and I am styling this hair, this sewing. I've been styling it for the last couple of weeks, but I want to film. I filmed it already before and it got lost, so we are refilming this video. But we are going to be trying some products. So I'm going to go ahead and show you some of the products from Nourish and Shine. I do appreciate you guys for sending me these products because, honey, I've already tried one time already before and I really do like them. So whenever the sewing comes out, it's going to be on a pop-in with these products. Let's get into these products. So we're going to get into the washing, and I'll be
so this is my freshly washed hair and it's all sectioned and ready to be tackled. So I'm going to go with my Untangle Me Leave-In Conditioner by Nurture and Shine Curls to Go collection. It helps detangles and condition. It has sunflower oil and mango butter, and this is great for tight coily hair as well. So if you have a real tight coils with 4C 4B hair, definitely this is a product for you. Look how it defines my curls, guys. All right, so then we're going to detangle and get into the weave, sis, into the weave. Okay, this is what the curls are looking like, and we're going to add some foam curl primer for the coils and curls. It seals and sculpts. It has sunflower oil and honey in this product. It smells really good, and it defines your curls. Like, y'all gonna see later. Trust the process, okay? Trust the process. So I'm just detangling my hair just to make sure it's all detangled, and then I go in and braid the hair up like I would do in a regular braid out if it was my natural hair. And I am going to use my foam rollers. If you have seen a video on this before, I do have one. I will link it in the description box if you guys are interested in purchasing these foam rollers, because sis, it makes the curling process so much easier. Okay, so now I'm going to get into my natural hair, where I'm actually going to just section it down the middle and get into making it straight as possible. I do have some breakage from headbands, so I need to repair that. So I'm going in with the coiling all curls styling gel for tight curls. It elongates and reduces shrinkage, and it has sunflower oil and nestle oil. It is really nice. It's kind of light and it defines the curls a whole lot. So when my sewing is out, baby, I cannot wait to use this product. I'll be doing another video with this product because these products is definitely giving. So look at how my curls is popping, guys. Look at it. Definition. Okay, so yeah, let's get into braiding my natural hair. I would usually sometimes braid it in with the weave, but I didn't like the way it turned out. It came out kind of frizzy, so now we're doing it separately. We're just doing my hair, and it's all done, sis. I didn't curl my ends with the rollers. So I did 24 hours of drying time just to make sure everything's dry, because that weave does take a little long to dry. So just make sure it's all dry so you can have your curls popping, sis. And look at the definition, honey. This product even works on the weave, baby. Look at it. Ooh. And then we're going to just repeat the process by making sure you take the curls down, separate them where they start to separate. And then I get into my natural hair, and I make sure I take my time as well so that I don't create too much frizz, because I don't want that so early in this process with me trying to blend my hair with the weave. So yeah. So now that it's all down, I know it looks a little crazy, so I'm going to try to blend this hair, and this is what it looks like. Of course, you can blend as much as you want with the hair as possible. I like it the way it is, because after a while it will get kind of bigger. So I hope you guys do enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye. Love you guys.